What's going on, people? I'm here with a quick Ford F-150. This is a 2020. My guy's getting the V1.
That's the Roadster.
Beautiful silver color, auto start. I'm gonna wire everything up for him right now. And he's getting the silver alloy case installed as well. I'm gonna put that on there. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And I'll even do a little test for you, you know, maybe get a customer reaction for you too. Yes, sir. My boy just got the F-150 V1 remote. He pressing the buttons and doing the test on it right now. It worked for it, didn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to tell you.
Okay, yeah, go ahead, for sure. I'm gonna walk back there. Let's see, I'm gonna get the video without the plate. Tailgate. Yes, sir. Is yours auto up and down? Oh, that's crazy. Bounce.
Yeah, I'm impressed. Yeah, I'm impressed.
That's what's up, bro. Appreciate that.
In the mirror
And
folded in.
do your touchscreen buttons too. So yeah, wake it up on the side right there. You gotta hold it. Yep.
Yeah, I got the mirror open back up.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that thing's sick too, bro. What's it? You said 2020, 2021?
2021.
Lights on that thing.